Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're opening Enence now. Tap the app icon and sign in or create an account if you haven't. Once logged in, grant microphone and camera permissions so audio and live text capture work. This is required for instant translation. Next, select your source language and target language from the top menu. Pick dialects if available. Make sure your network is stable. Use Wi-Fi for best latency. Now press the Translate or Mic button to begin the live translation session. You're capturing content. Choose mic for spoken words, camera for signs, or text input for typed phrases. Once you start recording, watch the transcription appear. Tap any line to hear the translated audio or reveal alternative translations. This helps when literal renderings fail. If background noise interferes, lower sensitivity and reposition the mic closer to the speaker. For long exchanges, enable continuous mode to keep translating. Make sure to check the language pair and You're wrapping up. Review the translation, edit any line for clarity, then copy, share, or save it to your history. Once done, close the session to free resources. If audio is out of sync or translations lag, toggle airplane mode briefly, then reconnect. This forces a fresh network handshake. If issues persist, clear the app cache or reinstall. That resolves corrupted data. Lastly, check for language pack updates and retry with offline packs if you'll be without internet.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.